Am I sitting in your seat?
Yes, that's mine. Could you take another one?
Am I late for the meeting?
Yes, we've already started without you.
Am I too early?
Yes, we're not ready to begin yet.
Am I allowed to join?
No, this group is full already.
Am I disturbing you?
Yes, I need some quiet right now.
Am I in the right place?
No, this isn't the correct room.
Am I supposed to be here?
No, this area is restricted.
Am I speaking too loudly?
Yes, could you lower your voice, please?
Am I asking too many questions?
Yes, let's pause for now.
Am I next in line?
No, there are others before you.
Am I blocking your way?
Yes, please let me pass.
Am I going the right way?
No, you need to turn back.
Am I ready for the test?
No, you still need more practice.
Am I welcome here?
No, this event is invitation only.
Am I interrupting something?
Yes, we were in the middle of a discussion.
Am I allowed to come in?
No, the room is closed now.
Am I being too fast?
Yes, please slow down.
Am I late to register?
Yes, the deadline has passed.
Am I using the right word?
No, that's not correct here.
Am I holding this correctly?
No, that's the wrong way.
Am I part of the group?
No, this team is already formed.
Am I wasting your time?
Yes, I really need to get back to work.
Am I next to present?
No, your turn is later.
Am I asking too much?
Yes, it's beyond what I can do.
Am I allowed to bring a guest?
No, this is members only.
Am I late again?
Yes, and it's becoming a problem.
Am I in your way?
Yes, could you move aside, please?
Am I expected to stay?
No, your part is already done.
Am I helping here?
No, it's actually making it harder.
Am I smiling enough?
No, you look too serious.
Am I in danger?
No, but you're not completely safe either.
Am I being rude?
Yes, your words sound a little harsh.
Am I improving?
No, not as much as expected.
Am I dressed appropriately?
No, that outfit doesn't suit the occasion.
Am I blocking your view?
Yes, could you shift a little?
Am I ready for this job?
No, you need more experience.
Am I on the list?
No, your name isn't here.
Am I making progress?
No, not at the right pace.
Am I too loud?
Yes, please lower your tone.
Am I healthy?
No, the reports don't look fine.
Am I allowed to speak now?
No, it's not your turn yet.
Am I enough for this task?
No, you'll need help.
Am I learning quickly?
No, you need more effort.
Am I using the correct form?
No, that's the wrong one.
Am I early this time?
Yes, too early. We're not ready yet.
Am I making sense?
No, it's unclear.
Am I wasting space here?
Yes, we need this area free.
Am I allowed to take one more?
No, one per person only.
Am I facing the right direction?
No, turn the other way.
Am I walking too slowly?
Yes, please speed up.
Am I doing this right?
No, that's not correct.
Am I allowed to sit here?
No, this seat is taken.
Am I enough for the role?
No, we're looking for more experience.
Am I forgetting something?
Yes, you left out the important part.
Am I talking too little?
Yes, we need more from you.
Am I being too honest?
Yes, it's coming off as rude.
Am I in your team?
No, you're assigned elsewhere.
Am I clear now?
No, it's still confusing.
Am I being too cautious?
Yes, it's slowing things down.
Am I helping enough?
No, we need more support.
Am I too late to catch the bus?
Yes, it's already gone.
Am I allowed to record this?
No, recording isn't permitted.
Am I carrying too much?
Yes, you'll have to leave some behind.
Am I safe here?
No, this area isn't secure.
Am I handling this correctly?
No, that's the wrong method.
Am I allowed inside?
No, entry is restricted.
Am I too slow?
Yes, you need to move faster.
Am I in the correct queue?
No, this line is for something else.
Am I welcome to join?
No, it's closed for now.
Am I the reason it failed?
Yes, your part caused the issue.
Am I overreacting?
Yes, you're making it bigger than it is.
Am I being careful enough?
No, you're missing details.
Am I allowed to take photos?
No, photography is not allowed.
Am I staying too long?
Yes, it's time to leave now.
Am I needed here?
No, your role is finished.
Am I standing in the wrong place?
Yes, please move over there.
Am I on time?
No, you're actually late.
Am I too quiet?
Yes, we can't hear you.
Am I explaining well?
No, it's not clear enough.
Am I allowed to use this?
No, it's off limits.
Am I wasting money?
Yes, this purchase isn't worth it.
Am I on the right track?
No, you need to change direction.
Am I asking too politely?
Yes, it sounds unnatural.
Am I too close?
Yes, give me some space, please.
Am I in frame?
No, you're out of the picture.
Am I ready for the interview?
No, you're underprepared.
Am I blocking the screen?
Yes, please step aside.
Am I sitting correctly?
No, that's not proper posture.
Am I allowed to borrow this?
No, it's for personal use only.
Am I in the right uniform?
No, that's the wrong dress code.
Am I handling this well?
No, it's not good enough.
Am I too demanding?
Yes, it's more than I can handle.
Am I close enough?
No, you're too far away.
Am I on mute?
No, we can hear you.
Am I late to apply?
Yes, applications are closed.
Am I expected to answer?
No, someone else will respond.
Am I part of this plan?
No, you're not included.
Am I going too far?
Yes, that's crossing the line.
Am I the only one left?
Yes, everyone else has gone.
Am I supposed to stay?
No, you can leave now.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching.